Hey guys, here's a quick video update about Mr. Cool mini split system that I installed 7 months back, and the compressor installed in a crawl space. Right now is December 14, and this system installed in North California, and we have about 40 Fahrenheit outside of the house. So I'm just gonna provide you quick numbers for system, how it works. And before jumping into the numbers from temperature sensors, let's go in a crawl space, and I'm gonna show you a few updates that I did to the system. Alright, so we're in a crawl space where compressor installed. Temperature sensor from monitor located right here, about 5 feet away from compressor. And I'm gonna show you two updates that I did to the system. The first one is I installed this pan to catch all condensate water, because by default this compressor is going with a small plastic piece which is supposed to get all water and drain this outside of compressor. But in my case, a lot of water were dripping on a concrete pad outside of this plastic piece. So I installed this pan, and it's catching all water and routing into this pump. Also inside this clear vinyl tube, I have this small rope. If you know why I need this rope, let me know in the comments. And the second update I did is I cut condensate line which was going right outside of the external wall and dripping there. So I cut this line and reroute this line into this pump. So this pipe is going from my main house condenser, and here's a line from internal unit from Mr. Cool. So it's joining here, then it's going right there into the pump, and from pump I installed this clear tube which is right now going on other side of this wall. And if we just check other side of this wall, so right there you will see that this clear tube is going into my sewer line. So all water is going into sewer line and not just to external wall. Okay, so here's the two updates I want to show you, and now let's go back and see numbers. Okay, and here's the numbers. So inside this room right now we have 76.8 or 4 Fahrenheit, and this outdoor sensor is installed outside of the house. So right now outside we have 40 Fahrenheit, and this sensor is installed in a crawl space. So right now it's 54 Fahrenheit. So as you can see, crawl space is still 14 Fahrenheit higher than outside temperature. And I did the same picture when it was heat waves. So outside was about 90 Fahrenheit, but inside in the crawl space it was about 70 or even less. Alright, so here's a just quick video update about mini split system. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching and see you later.